people that this was my question and this is the answer what he has given, that he is not aware of things.
Anacleto D'Souza, the Sarpanch of Chikali, said that he himself found it difficult to understand the issues related to the ODP and the regional plan.
I am totally blank to understand what is there, whether ODP will be accepted or regional plan. Either way, I feel that ODP should have been reflected, but since regional plan was planned first before this ODP was finalized, it is big question mark.
Asked whether the whole process of discussing the regional plan at the Gram Sabha was an exercise in futility, Mr. D'Souza said,
"We have taken a resolution in today's Gram Sabha to write to the chief town planner, to the chief minister, who is the minister of the town and country planning board, asking these clarifications whether what we are doing, and that too within a short span, we are not going to be able to finish this regional plan. Like that, if we say even 6 months is not enough."
Members of the All Goa Shack Owners Welfare Association met the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath at his official residence in Altino Panjim on Monday to discuss the allotment of the additional shacks along the Kalangut-Kandolim beach stretch.
The meeting with the Chief Minister followed a meeting of members of the association at the TB Kunya Hall in the capital. The president of the All Goa Shack Owners Welfare Association, Cruz Cardozo, informed the media about their charter of demands.
हांगा एकठांय जाल्यार आमचे ऑल गोवा शेक ओनर्स डिमांड करून की आमकां एडिशनल शेकां जाय म्हणून. जेन्ना आमचो गव्हर्मेंट आमकां सांगता एडिशनल शेकां जाता म्हणून, जाल्यार आमकां मेळपाकूच जाय एडिशनल शेकां. सो आमी टुरिजम मिनिस्टर हे पसून रावतले की आमचो मुखावेलो स्टेप घेवपाक. जेन्ना आमी टुरिजम मिनिस्टर परतून मेवतले आनी सांगतले आमकां एडिशनल शेक दी म्हणून, आमकां प्रॉमीस केला दिता म्हणून टुरिजम मिनिस्टर. म्हाका खात्री आहा टुरिजम मिनिस्टराचेर की आमकां 100% शेकां मेवतलीच म्हणून एडिशनल आनी दिवपाकूच जाय.
Don't go away. We'll be right back after the short break with a roundup of the events at IFFI 2008. Dev Anand, legendary actor and evergreen Bollywood hero, was honoured at IFFI 2008 for his 6-decade-long contribution to Indian cinema.
The Chief Minister of Goa, Digambar Kamath, presented Shri Devanand with a shawl and a cheque of Rs 51,000 at a function held at the Kala Academy in Panjim. Well-known Bollywood actor Jackie Shroff presented Dev Sab with a citation. The celebrated actor Devanand expressed his gratitude for the support he received from the entire nation during his long career in the film industry.
You must know I've been born and brought up in the lap of the films and pampered a hell of a lot with its glitter and stalo. And that explains why there's a constant struggle inside me to give more and more and better and better. That this should be, if I can, be my best work to date.
Meanwhile, the state's Chief Minister also unveiled the desktop calendar created by the Entertainment Society of Goa. SM Khan, director of the DFF, and Manoj Srivastav, CEO of the ESG, were also present on the occasion.
Catherine Deneuve, who began her film career at the age of 13 and is a 2-time Caesar Award-winning, BAFTA Award and Academy Award-nominated French actress. She's in Goa attending the 39th International Film Festival of India.
Catherine, who gained recognition for her portrayal of an ice maiden for various directors, including Louis Brunel and Roman Polanski, spoke to the press about her future projects.
Well, the last film I did, I'm playing, the two last film I did, I'm playing the mother of two girls. So the first one is André Téchiné, you know, I'm living with my daughter who is 22 years old, 23, quite difficult, you know, quite a difficult girl outside from Paris. So it's a very, very intimate story, you know, that raised some other issues because she's, I don't know how you say, mythoman, you know, she lies all the time. So she gets involved in doing and things, and that after that take incredible consequences. And the second film I did with a young French woman director, and I'm playing the mother of Marina Hans, a very good young French actress, and it's a very peculiar story. But the film has not been released, and nothing. It's very difficult to really talk about. It doesn't mean much to talk about the story or character of a film that hasn't been seen yet.
Catherine also spoke about the animated films that she lent her voice to and on what continues to drive her to act in films.
It's very interesting for an actress to do just a voice, in a film. I wanted to do a voice. I told my agent that I would be interested in. I would like to do a voice, in an animation film. I think it's very interesting for actors not to be involved, with the physical aspect of the character, but just the voice. Also in an animation film, you can overplay. It's quite fun.
Catherine also described her character in the movie Christmas Tales.
Director, and the other actors, because we rehearse a lot, especially with Arnaud Desplechin, like Christmas Tale. And it was a very cheerful shooting with a lot of actors working outside of Paris, so all living in the same hotel. Well, I'm supposed to be the mother of a lot of children that don't get along too well together, and the occasion of Christmas is the occasion to be again together, all together.
The director of Malayalam film Vila Pangala Kappuram, TV Chandran, addressed the press on the ongoing IFFI 2008, saying he was unhappy with the English subtitles of his movie.
They have played havoc with the subtitles as well. And I can't blame anybody for that because we could give the print for subtitling only a few days back. And whatever corrections I have informed them, they didn't do it. And another reason was Bombay was flying a few days back. So there was nobody to look after. So half of the film is badly subtitled. Especially there was a very important speech, a Gujarati speech in the film. The entire portion is left out. I don't know why.
Mr. Chandran also elaborated on the storyline and the cast of the film.
What would happen if a girl from Gujarat runs away to her native place, escapes after the righteous experiences in her? How will the other community, the Muslim community, react to her? Along with that, we wanted to show the real people who are actually affected, not the fictitious characters. So at the end of the film, you see the people who are really affected. That was no story. There was no story for that. In between, we had this imaginary idea about a girl. But more than anything, the idea was to focus on another community, that the community from which the girl comes from. There's a Muslim community. To be a Muslim in Kerala and to be a Muslim in Gujarat are two different aspects. I think Gujarati Muslims are more dignified. There was this cameraman Alagapan. You must be knowing him. He is a very important cameraman. He recommended this girl to me because he has shot her in a Tamil film. She has done a film called Veil. And Alagapan was the part-time cameraman for that. Half of the film was shot by Alagapan. So Alagapan said, you see this cassette and you see this girl. So we saw the cassette of Veil and Alagapan's recommendations. We saw the girl.
Kiran Shantaram, son of eminent producer and director of Marathi films, who runs the Shantaram production house after his father's death, was spotted by a reporter at the IFFI venue recently, who seized the opportunity to speak to him.
Kiran said that his production house is doing only Marathi films nowadays.
प्रोडक्शन में हम लोग अभी हिंदी फिल्में बंद कर दी हैं. हमारी अभी मराठी फिल्में जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, मेरा बच्चा जो है लड़का, वो मराठी फिल्म का प्रोडक्शन करता है. हिंदी फिल्मों का प्रोडक्शन हम लोगों ने बंद किया है क्योंकि आजकल जो हिंदी फिल्में बन रही है और जिस तरीके से कॉस्ट और जो बन रही है, मुझे लगता नहीं कि उस कॉस्ट और ये रिकवरी के लिए कोई चांस है. मुझे भी लगता नहीं कि इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में जो बन रही है और जिस तरीके से पीट रही है, मुझे लगता है कि उस हिसाब से उनकी प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट रिकवर होती है.
Kiran also said that he preferred films that are entertaining and have a message.
मेरे हिसाब से मैं जो भी कोई मराठी फिल्में बनाऊंगा वो फुल्ली एंटरटेनमेंट होनी चाहिए. एंटरटेनमेंट होने के नाते उस हिसाब से ओनली एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए कि उसमें से थोड़ा लोगों को, ऑडियंस को थोड़ा कुछ हम लोग अगर बोल सकते हैं, कुछ सोशल मैसेज दे सकते हैं, तो वो हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं.
The veteran film producer also said that he believed that there were only good and bad films that are either liked or disliked by the public.
I don't believe parallel and commercial. That is it.
So, what is the definition of good cinema according to you?
Good cinema which will like by the people. That is a good cinema. And the bad cinema which people doesn't like that.